Hi everyone, welcome to Crack SAP new video. I hope everyone is doing good. Last many videos I have uploaded Crack SAP. I hope you watch and enjoyed the same. Now I am going with the today automatic payment with workflow. How it will workflow it will configure and how you can release the workflow. So let us go start with the workflow and we'll make the posting. Now I'm going with the workflow setting. So let us see. Start with the FBL1M. Some my vendor, I'll take it like 1830001. Yes, I'll check it. Is there any outstanding? Yes, many outstanding there, but I'll take it only one simple invoice. That is 5132. This is a big amount. Or else take it in 51145. I'll take it this one, or I can then I'll go to F110. Let us see. F110. Today I'll take it. Today is 06 11/2022. That is DDMMYY. Now I don't believe that this is MMDDYY. And November 22. And let us see the parameter. Here it's a parameter is company code. I'll take it T as my payment terms, and next due date around 11/15/2022. That is MMDDYY, and here it is 183000001 exactly 40. Okay. Was it okay? Now I will go to free selection. Here is a free selection. So what is a free selection is important is whenever you choose the particular single document, so the time you can choose here. I'll make it. Then we'll start with the additional log, due date, payment, and 3 line items you need to select here. 183000001 here, and now come to status. Yes, because of whatever parameter we have set it, that has been set. Now go to proposal here. This is the date, MMDDYY, and start immediately. Enter here. Just put an enter. So till the payment proposal has been created to be agreed. Now go to display here. This is the workflow already hit, and this is the number which we have selected. So now I can see these are the payments which I can make here, or else I'll show you how I can go to for the payment to be blocked. For all, I don't want to pay all this money to vendor. So few only I can make it, and I'll block the bills. So you can go here. Need to go with a change mode, right? Change mode and exit. Edit proposal here. Go to double click here. Double click. Enter. Edit proposal. Go to list of proposals. You can select this one 5210. Now make it change here, put it A, and save here, and this one 25, make a change here, enter, save here, 26, change, so 28, and many payments are there here, see. But if I want to bulk, then what should be here? So now I'm going to show you a bulk. If you refresh here, now I'll select which is don't want to pay here. $62, $63, $62, $45, $46. Let us block here. In one shot, you can also block here. Change here, it is in a make it block payment, execute. So if you are unable to change, no problem. This one is not changed, already we have changed. I hope you remember 65 already it is changed, other than now changed here. So if you want, you can make it all those things block. Mask change, this is a block, execute it. One is unable to, no problem. That maybe I have changed in 26 and 25, and that is already blocked here. So now we can go ahead with the further. So here I can come and see the loggish. So I'll execute once again. I'll have to delete a proposal. I'll show you. This is edit, proposal, delete. Okay. So I'll show you two ways. One is in the payment itself in F110, and second mask. There's a two options. Now I can go ahead with the proposal once again. Start immediately. Enter till the green has to become. Payment proposal has been created now. Now I'm going with the display, and let us see. So how many? Okay, this is 164 only I can pay. All has been blocked here. Blocks are coming down. So these are all blocked. Only one payment has to be released here. Okay, guys. Now the issue is where did it is going for the workflow. This is workflow, right? Now it is workflow. So I'll check with the workflow guy. Now I'm going out. Yeah, for 0 here. Display. Now workflow is under workflow. Now I'm going with the one more user, that is workflow. See, now I can see the workflow, right? Inbox. See, here it is in workflow. You can check. Now this is in workflow. 538367, and this is workflow. Now I have to choose here and release. Now this is some buttons are there. This is a refresh, so if whatever, if anything else, and this is an execute, this execute, display, and this is a reserve for decision, and this is a mail. This is, has to be, suppose if you're not comfortable, then you can make a forward to the others, and this is a resubmit, so which you want to ask to resubmit the document. And this is a display workflow. So if I click here, see, this is the workflow. It is, everything is green, and here it is an agent. Agent means who is going to workflow here. So Now I can go come out, and now I'm going with the, these are all the one or the other object, and this is the manage attachments, workflow log. Now I'm going with the execute here. Execute. Now we can see this is what I have done for the payment. This is 164, and if you see here, all these things are ready. If you double click here, you can get it, or you can block here. Now I can coming out. It is asking me, do you want to confirm the work package? Yes, I'm going to. Now it has been approved. So just I'll refresh here. It is gone out from my side. Now in the different user, I'm going with the F110 here. I'll just come out from the other user and F110 and display. See, this is the confirmed and workflow is ready. And now what are the payments I'm going to release here, and what are the hold, everything will get it. So that's the display here. You can see what are the payments I'm going to take place. Now just I'm going to execute. Before execute, how can I configure this one? I'll show you, and then after that I'll run the execution button. So go to SPRO, IMG, financial accounting, accounts and receivables, business transaction, outgoing payments, so automatic payment, and automatic payment is having payment proposal. See, this is the one configuration I need to make. Okay, I'll show you how to configure now. See, I'm going with the configuration. So configuration workflow, I'm going with my company code. So it is an 1810, and workflow is active. Payment methods, I make it CFLND. Let us see. Enter here. It comes to country and amount. And now it will asking me just save here, and TR will going to generate. Now agent will be determined. So number, okay, that is 00001 or 1000 or whatever you want, just to make it. And this is then a field which I'm going to take it. That's a supplier. I'm taking a supplier. Suppose 183000001. I'll start it to 183000002. I'll make it a one configuration, and my workflow is my agent. Workflow agent not existing. Okay, hit enter now. So it is green, and save here. It has been saved, and this is more than enough to. Okay, and one more thing, you just remember here it is, you can make it a 2 to 3 also. It's a agent determination, position, and add a criteria. You can make it a add a criteria also. You can make it. Add a criteria, it means, see, this is the one more field is open. How do you want? You can make it the one more, amount, postal ID, customer, vendor, or any other. You can make it a total amount can be, and some payment methods to be additional. These kind of things you can make here. So now I'm coming out with here, and this is the one. And where do I check my workflow? That is SWI1. SWI1 for my workflow to be started here. So this is then a workflow triggered. This is ready to post, and it is in progress. And now I'm going with in progress here, and you can check with the display execute, or wait for this one also. You can check here. See, here it is in a workflow trigger. This is the possible assets. This is the extra coming because of already this has been approved. Now let's here wait for step, same display, check it one by one, so we'll get all the details here. Otherwise you can go technical data, about, okay. There is no excluding inside. Okay, no problem. These are like you can see here. Now I'm going with the come out. Now my work is to be execute my F110. Now I'm going with the run here. Start workflow executed. I can see my document has been created, and this is the items has been blocked. Where we have blocked this one 129, many documents has been blocked here. You can see the message and whatever the successful data, it has been done. If you want the accounting document here, just go down here. This is the accounting document has been created for this particular one invoice. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much. Subscribe and like it and share to the others. Thank you.